So seed airdrop will be listing today by 10 a.m. UTC, and withdrawal will start by 11 a.m. UTC. So it means that the listing will be happening by 11 a.m. Nigerian time, and we'll be able to claim 1 hour later by 12 p.m. Nigerian time. And these are the various exchanges that are available for claim: KuCoin, MEXC, and BingX. So if you open the Seed app and come over to exchanges, you can get to see these exchanges. So the wise thing to do is make sure you already have an account, a verified account in these exchanges. But are we going to be able to withdraw straight to an exchange? So stay with me to the end of this video so you get to know how to withdraw your seed and sell as soon as possible. I'm Crypto Insider, and if you're into my channel, do well to subscribe if you're watching my videos. Thank you. What and what do you need to know before listing time? So first is that you can't withdraw seed to any of the centralized exchanges shown on the app. First thing, you have to withdraw your seed. You have to withdraw seed to your wallet first, which will happen by 12 p.m. Nigerian time or 11 a.m. UTC today. But then listing happened an hour before by 11 a.m. Nigerian time or 10 a.m. UTC. So one of the prerequisites is that you must have connected your Sui wallet to your Seed app. If you've not done so, there's a video, I recorded a video that will guide you on how to connect your Sui wallet to your Seed. Then the next thing you also need to know is that these are the various exchanges. So listing will happen before claiming. So ensure you have an account in these exchanges. You'll be able to sell your Seed tokens. One other thing is that in the wallets you'll be using, ensure to fund this wallet with Sui, at least 0.01 Sui or 1 Sui just in case. So you can go to any centralized exchange of choice, buy Sui. Sui currently trades at $2.3. Buy Sui of any amount, maybe $0.5 worth or $1 worth, and keep it there to be able to pay the gas fees for transfer. So we're going over to the app so we can get to know how to withdraw our seed and sell after listing. So stay with me as we go over to the app. So this is the wallet I use in connecting my Sui to my Seed app. So this is Sui wallet. You can do it from Play Store if you've not connected yours. If you've done so, endeavor to come over here, receive, copy the address, and send Sui from a centralized exchange so you'll be able to pay the gas fees. Once you are done, you go over to the dApps. So you can, most people have done can do this with their OKX, can do it with my Seed browser. You can do it with the Sui wallet inside the dApps app. So there's a link that I'm going to share to be in my description. That is playseedgo.com. So open it in the wallet, in the dApps browser of the wallet that is connected to your Seed. The first thing you will do once you open this is you'll be given access to connect to Telegram app. Once you click on it, it will take you to Telegram and you have to log in and give them access. So once you do that, if you've connected your wallet before, it's going to show here, connected wallets. I've done mine before. Then over here, you get to see transfer. This is where you'll be able to transfer from your spending app. Your spending app is Telegram, while your wallet is the wallet you connected to your Seed. So you have to switch it from the spending app to your wallet. So currently, if you open here, there is no Seed has not been made available for withdrawal. You just have the Slove, Seed Mons, and Mom boxes. So you can actually currently withdraw Seed Mons and Mom boxes, but I don't have any. So you can go straight to withdraw your Seed, but it's not available now. So I'll let us know when it's available for you to withdraw your Seed tokens. So over here you can get to see the quantity of tokens you have. Slove. So over here, spending app, you can see the quantity of tokens you have. If you have Slove, Seed, it should be withdrawn, and then Seed Mons and Mom boxes. If you come over to wallet here, you can get to see the number of Sui you have in your wallet that will enable you to pay for the gas fees. So I think that's all for now. So if there's any new updates, if they've made Seed available for withdrawal, I'm going to let us know. So once you come over here and you've done this and Seed is available, you just come over here and select Seed tokens. Once you've done so once you click on this continue, it will take you to a pop-up where you'll be able to know the quantity of Seed you'll be withdrawing and how much you have to pay for gas fees, but that hasn't been available now. So once you withdraw to your Sui, you can go over to your preferred exchange. That's either MEXC, KuCoin, or BingX. transfer your seed from the Sui wallet to your CX, and then you can sell. So thank you for watching. Do also subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get videos from me. And I have a Telegram channel in the description. Do have to join it so you can get much updates as I post them. See you next time.